Calculate the molar solubility of magnesium trioxocarbonate 4 in the presence of 0.1 molar sodium trioxocarbonate 4. So this KFC for magnesium trioxocarbonate 4. So we're looking at common ion effect. We're going to write so this sodium trioxocarbonate 4 I will ionize in solution to produce this. So the molar concentration of sodium hydroxide is 0.1 mole. Since I have 2 moles of sodium ion, so now the 2 times 0.1, so that's 0.2 mole, and this one is 0.1 mole. Then I'm going to write the solubility expression for magnesium trioxocarbonate 4. I'm looking for the molar solubility of magnesium trioxocarbonate 4. Don't know what it is, so let it be X. So this one is X mole, this one will also be what? X, so this one will be X mole. Then the carbonate, because of common ion effect from sodium carbonate, so it will now be X plus 0.1. Write the equilibrium solubility product constant for magnesium. So have magnesium ion times carbonate ion. So I'm going to substitute this concentration into this equation. And the KSP value is 3.5 times 10 to the power minus 8. So substitute the value x plus 0.1. Alright. So look at this. The value of s is very small to compare with this 0.1. Very small to compare to 0.1. So it's like saying x plus 0.1 is equals to 0.1. So work with only this value here, 0.1, not with this x. So x times 0.1, you have 0.1 x is equals to 3.5 times 10 to the power minus 8. So what should be the value of x? 3.5 times 10 to the power minus 8 divided by 0.1. So the value of x will be 3.5 times 10 to the power minus 7. So we can say that the molar solubility of magnesium carbonate in the presence of 0.1 sodium trioxocarbonate 4 is 3.5 times 10 to the power minus 7. So the presence of common ion effect, the presence of sodium trioxocarbonate 4 in magnesium carbonate decreases the solubility of magnesium carbonate. So there are other ways you can also solve this. If you factorize here, this equation, we're having x squared plus 0.1x is equals to 3.5. So if you use quadratic method and find the value of x, you still get the same value.